It's now already!
The tunnel grew colder. Miller and I were close to the surface now. Soon, we'd climb up into the howling wind to fight our way through whatever nightmares were waiting there.
Hey, Artyom. When you left your home station, did you ever think we'll end up in a place like this? Not knowing whether we were about to save our world or send it straight to hell. We'll have to get through the military outpost to reach the surface, Artyom. Shh, тихо. Something's moving in the next room. Open the gate, I'll cover. Shit is always breaking down in here. Use the auxiliary hand system to open the gate. Artyom, check those crates for ammo and med packs. Ready, Artyom? Follow me. Okay, up we go. Seems like nobody's home. Before we hit the surface, put your gas mask on. Without it, you'll be like a goldfish outside his door.
Almost there. This is the Korolev Performance Hall. It's really close to the tower. Load your weapon! Suki, here they come. Let's give it a pull. Okay, Artyom, you ready? Pull! Anuka! Let's move out. And here it is, Artyomушka. Our goal.
Come in, Wyman. Come in. Over. You're coming through loud and clear. Over. We're at the tower. I repeat, we're at the tower. Did the group move out? Over. Well, that's affirmative. We've made contact. They should be in the vicinity of the tower now. Over. Roger. We'll contact you again when we're at the top of the tower. Get a fix on our location then. Over.
Let's go. The others should already be here. Oh, and there they are! Glad to see you, Colonel. Did you hear that? Listen. What the hell is it? Form a circle!
Stay calm.
Watch your backs, boys. Okay. makes it gonna be tougher than the library.
Life was never easy in the tunnels, but it was our home. There was comfort in its routines, in seeing the same people day after day. But since the mutant attacks had escalated, fear ruled the station. I had just turned 20, and could never have imagined what would follow on the morning that my stepfather's friend Hunter arrived at the barricade.